Hello everyone, my name is Aakriti Pokhrel and I am from Experiential learning classes. Today I am here to recite a poem on the topic sea. As pretty as the sea, as busy as the bee, that's the kind of girl people like to see. As pretty as the sunset, as sweet as the honey, that's the kind of girl people like to meet. There is freedom waiting for you at the end of the pain. Don't be scared about falling, oh darling, you will be flying. She is a star that twinkles, yeah, a girl is very simple. She needs joy and happiness, she wants to forget about all the pain and the sadness. She is a girl with a simple dream that she aims to achieve. The cold breeze has passed by her and she is her own master. Thank you. Happy Women's Day.